back to my channel. Today I'm excited as I'll be doing a mini wine decor haul, and I'm also going to be decorating my wine cart with you guys. So without wasting much time, let's get to it. Okay guys, the first thing I have on my list is this that I bought. I bought this whiskey bottle from Decor, and I really love it. It was €7.99. It's very light though. I was a bit disappointed with that, but it's really beautiful. It's simple and I like it. Okay guys, the second thing I have on my list was this martini shaker that I got. You can make your cosmopolitan in here, shake it up, and I really like it. This is how it looks inside, and I can't open it. But I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I think I bought this at the BX and I paid about $10. And I also bought this beautiful ice basket. I also bought this beautiful ice bucket, and I paid about I think this was $29. It was a bit pricey, but I loved it. It's nice, it's small and compact. This is the reason why I got it is because you can put it on your dining table when you're having dinner with people, and you can put ice in there and it doesn't take up too much space. And it comes with this. And also guys, the other thing I liked about it is that it comes with these tongs that you can use to pick your ice out of here, and it's very compact. Like I said, when you're done, you just slide it in here, which saves a lot of space. So I really love this. And yeah, I also bought this beautiful ice bucket. Like if I have champagne, you know, I can just put the bottle in there, or some white wine or some rosé. And I bought this from IKEA, and I think it was less than €10. I really love it. And I think I take everything back. I think I got this from IKEA as well, because they are kind of the same quality and same material. So I think I got it from IKEA. But yeah, I got this from IKEA. I think it was less than €15. And what else am I going to use? This is the vase that I'm also going to use. I bought this vase from Depot. It was Depot, and it was €49. I really love it. Look at the print on it, and it's just like, you know, a nice vase, and it gives it some symmetry and stuff like that. So I really love it. And then I bought these beautiful flowers. I bought these beautiful roses from Depot, and they're like I think each one was like €3, and I bought like 4 of them, and I love them. They will look nice with the idea that I have. I also bought this. This is for like my lemons, just for decor, to have like my limes, for my limes, just kind of give it some green and stuff like that. And this was like €4. I got these placeholders. They're marble, and I bought them from Depot as well. And I only got 4 because they only had 4. So I'll be hunting to see if they have more. But these were like €2 each. And I have this, and this is like a crusher. You know, you crush your maybe lemon or whatever, mint that you're trying to put in your martini. And I think I got all these from IKEA. I don't remember correctly. And then what else do I have? Oh, okay guys, I also got this beautiful clock. I bought this beautiful clock from TK Maxx, and I paid $49.99. And I wanted something that's very simple and elegant and slick, so that it can match the interior and the decor around here. So I really love it. I think it will go well with what I'm thinking, because this is just going to be like a simple wine area. And the star of the show, this is the wine cart, guys. I bought this wine cart from Depot, and I paid €65.99 for it. It's a 3-tier. So I'm excited, and I can't wait to start decorating. So let's get to it.